Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Infinix Hot 12i, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up nearby share on this device. Firstly, open control panel. Here enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services, and find nearby share. Click and hold on it. Click device visibility. Here you can change your device visibility mode. I suggest choose everyone mode. Here you can change data usage mode. I suggest to use data mode. Then on the top part of your screen, click share more easily with your contacts. Scroll down, click agree. And cool. Now just enable nearby share. And fine. Now we can share and receive data using nearby share on our device. For example, I want to share this image from my Android device to Infinix device. To do it, click send on your Android device, click send with nearby share. Here you will see your Infinix device, click on it and click accept button on your Infinix. Wait for it. Click accept, and cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.